Are you looking for a Father's Day gift? In this video, I will show you the 5 best Father's Day gifts based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the S5C Wi-Fi FPV drone. If your dad is into gadgets, then this is the perfect gift for him. The Snapton Era app has voice control, gravity control, 3D VR, and trajectory flight. Simply press one button, it will take off, land or return to your command. Smart voice control, headless mode, and the fascinating 360 degrees flips and rolls come handy even for the drone newbies. The Snapton S5C provides video transmission within a range of up to 80 m. Edit and upload instantly your videos on social media by iPhone, or a video transmission signal up to a scale of 80 m, allowing you to fly farther. A built-in G-sensor is designed to allow controlling the drone by adjusting the vertical and horizontal position of your smartphone via the Snapton Era app. The 4th product on the list is the House of Marley Duo Speaker. Every dad likes some good quality music. These speakers will be the perfect gift for any music enthusiast. The iconic get-together duo speakers are here to round out your sustainable sound system. Featuring 20 hours of playtime from the portable right speaker and a mains-powered left speaker, your days will be filled with that classic Marley sound whether you're working from home or chilling outdoors. These compact yet powerful speakers fit perfectly on your desk, console, or bookshelf, while their signature bamboo design adds a modern, natural touch you'll be proud to display. The 3rd product on the list is the Theragun Mini. Every hard-working dad can use some relaxation. That's why the Theragun Mini is on the 3rd spot. The Theragun Mini is your pocket-sized partner, giving you Theragun quality muscle treatment with unparalleled portability. Compact but powerful, Theragun Mini is the most agile massage device that goes wherever you do. The Theragun is used by physical therapists, trainers, chiropractors, celebrities, athletes, and over 250 professional sports teams worldwide. The 2nd product on the list is the Oculus Quest. If your dad is into gaming, then this is a good gift for him. The Oculus Quest is a high-quality VR gaming headset that comes with controllers. This device can be used with your smartphone, which makes it accessible for everyone. Oculus Touch controllers precisely recreate your hands, their gestures and interactions, so every game is real enough to reach out and touch. Oculus Quest works with your environment, so you can play standing or sitting in spaces big or small. The 1st product on the list is the Genie Halo projector. This is the perfect option for if you want to give your dad a gift that will make the whole family happy. This portable theater will project whatever you're into from Showtime to YouTube and tons of games and online meeting. There's an app you're sure to love. The built-in large capacity battery ensures the excellent portability. Users can watch up to 2 to 3 hours playtime or listen to 8 hours of music on a one-time charge. The only downside is that this projector is supported by only Android TV. Apple users need to download AirScreen to project movies on this projector. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.